Thanks, Megan. All 17 laws of teamwork can be found within the film Toy Story. But instead of going through them all one by one, let's just take a look at some of the big hitters. Some that really stood out. The first of those is Law 16. The law of high morale is shown in the very beginning of the film when everyone is being played with. Woody shows some signs of apathy towards helping other team members improve, especially Rex. But the team as a whole is okay because morale is so high. The next law, law number 3, the law of the niche, is prominent throughout the film. But a great example is during the birthday party recon scene. Woody leads the group and gets each toy to play a role in accomplishing the team's goal. Another example of niche is when the team is trying to rescue Buzz from the bushes after he gets knocked out of the window. Andy is probably too old for monkeys in a barrel, but the team makes use of their ability to link together to form a rope to extend down to Buzz. Next is law number 5. The law of the chain is best shown when Buzz first takes a leadership role in the team. He helps Rex learn to make a fearsome roar, and he has all the other toys training and trying to become better for the sake of the team. With a team leader taking an interest in each member of the team getting stronger, the team as a whole will also get stronger. Next is law number 8. The law of the bad apple is personified or potatofied by Mr. Potato Head. His attitude affects the attitude of other members of the team and brings down the overall efficacy of the team. At its worst, his attitude sabotages the team's attempt to rescue Woody and Buzz. As the team adopts his attitude, its performance goes down. As it adopts Buzz and Woody's positive attitude later in the film, its performance returns to a high level. Next, we're going to look at some of the laws that we see during the time that Buzz and Woody spend in Sid's room. The first of those is Law 10. The law of the price tag is shown when Woody admits he needs Buzz and cedes a portion of team leadership to him. He sacrifices something very precious in order to accomplish the goal of the team. It also forces him to take the time to develop himself as a leader and as a team member. By giving some of the responsibility to Buzz, he also puts Buzz in a position to pick him back up when he is close to quitting. In Sid's room, we also see an example of law number 13, the law of identity. Woody convinces Buzz that their goal is to return to Andy and take on the job of making him happy. Once Buzz accepts this goal and incorporates it as a personal value, he is able to help Woody work toward that goal. Laws number 1 and 4, significance and Mount Everest, are shown perfectly during that scene in Sid's room. Woody is stuck in a crate and Buzz has a rocket strapped to him. Woody recognizes the law of significance by admitting how great Buzz is and that he needs Buzz's help. Buzz recognizes the same law by realizing he can do more as a part of Andy's Toys team than he can as a lone space ranger. It's also a great example of the law of Mount Everest, because when the problem facing the team is greatest, Woody and Buzz realize the need for the team to work together so that it can perform its best. They resolve issues that have plagued them for the previous hour of the film and become a cohesive team set on accomplishing its goal of returning to Andy. Next, Alexandria has some outside research to share with you.